What happens with those letters whenever they come at post office? What happens then? The postcard letter is saying further that he was. Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book, Looking Around. The name of the chapter is Here Comes a Letter. Let's get started. Here a letter is talking with us in our language, like it is talking with us in our language, so it is talking with humans. So it is telling about his journey, how he traveled, how he was in a post office, then he traveled through a big bag, then he traveled towards its destination, how he traveled. He is telling us a story. Let's get started. This letter is written by Reena. Reena is girl here and she has wrote a letter for her friend Ahmad. And what happened? Reena just after writing the letter, she just posted letter into post box. So what happened? After putting that letter into letter box, what happened? Postman took that letter. What happened? At the particular time, postman comes and he collects all the letters from that letter box, and after that he collect those letters in a big bag, and he travel on his bicycle, and he keep those letters in post office. All right. What happens with those letters whenever they come at post office? What happens then? The postcard letter is saying further that he was stamped by any person there, and the stamp was of Agartala. Agartala is the place from which the letter has been written. Reena must be residing in Agartala, so Agartala's stamp would be there on the postcard, on the letter. So just remember students, whenever a postcard, a letter is traveling from a place to another place, the stamp it is having would be of the host position. Like whenever a sender is sending from his position, from his place, from his city, the stamp would be of the particular city. For example, here in this case, Reena is sending letter and she is residing in Agartala. So the stamp would be of Agartala on the postcard, on the letter. What happens when they get stamped? The letters get stamped, then they get sorted. So if the letter is the sender wants to send his or her letter to Mumbai, so that would be of Mumbai. So all the letters which are going to Mumbai, those are kept aside, those are kept in a particular group. The letters going for Kolkata will kept in another group. The letters going for Delhi will kept in another group. So group by group sorting is done over there. So after sorting, what happened with this letter? The letter got transferred into big bag. So what must be happened there? This postman have collected all the letters which is heading to Delhi. He has kept all the letters in a big bag. So all are letters there which are heading for Delhi. All letters are going for Delhi. So postman has collected the letters to post the letters to a particular places. All right. The red postal van dropped me at the railway station. There I got into a train going to Delhi. All right. So what happens? This was like bag. The bags were got separated. Then what happened? Those bags were dropped in railway station. So there got train. So that bag was transferred into a railway. the railway was going to Delhi. After a long journey of 5 to 6 days, I reached Delhi. After reaching Delhi, what happens? A post office men, like the people, they do sorting according to addresses mentioned on the letters, according to their area wise they do sorting. So as sorted from that area, that place, the particular place, postman keeps the letters with him, and what happens, he puts the stamp again on the letter, and he sends the message, and receiver receives the message. So in this case, Rima has written letter for Ahmad, so Ahmad received the letter. So this was the journey told by letter to us, how he traveled through a place, one place to another place. This was the journey told by letter to us. Dear students, we have already learned how the letter travels after we give particular destination to that letter. So how the journey of letter is, the letter itself has told that into this chapter. So they have asked us into the pictures that we need to give correct order, correct sequence to the particular images. So let's give them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth image in that picture, Rina is writing letter for Ahmad. So that would be first image. The second image would be Rina is posting a letter into letterbox. So that would be second image. The third image would be the postman or the office, like a person from the post office. He is collecting letters, all the letters. Many people might have put the letters, posted the letters into letterbox, so he is collecting all the letters, all right, to keep that letters, to keep those letters into post office. So he is collecting. So that would be third image. Fourth image would be the lady is sorting the letters according to the states. For example, Delhi letters would be in another section, Kolkata letters would be in another section, Kerala letters would be in another section. So according to state wise, according to area wise, she is sorting the, according to area wise, in the sense according to the position wise, she is sorting the letters. So that would be fourth image. Fifth image would be the person from the post office. He is putting hard stamps on the particular letters. So for example, the letter is going from, the letters journey has started from Agartala, so Agartala stamp would be there. So likewise, postman is stamping on the letters for that particular place. So from where the journey of letter has been started, we will get to know that. So that would be our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth image. That would be our fifth image. So write there 5. So what is the next 5? 6. 6 would be Delhi. The Delhi sections would be like, according to sections, these letters get into the particular railway station. So on the railway station, the letters are there according to station. According to sixth image would be the Delhi section. Delhi we can see letters there. So in railway station, in Delhi railway station, these boxes, these letter boxes come and they got put on the station. So that would be sixth image. And the next image would be the postman is posting the letters to the particular address, on the particular address. So that would be seventh. And the last eighth image, Ahmad is reading the letter from Rina. So that would be eighth image. All right. We have completed this chapter, but they have asked one question lastly at the bottom of the chapter. We wrote a letter, we also made a phone call. What are the similarities and differences between a letter and a phone call? Let's see what are the differences, what are the similarities of the phone call and the letter. All right. So the main similarity is we can send a letter and a phone call anywhere in the world, but the difference is phone call is faster means of communication, and within 2 minutes, within 2 3 minutes, we can call and we can give like we can have communication with the another person. But letter is a slow means of communication. We need 4 to 5 working days to reach the letter to the particular destination. And the another is telephone is less time consuming, and telephone needs, like I have said, 2 3 minutes. Within 2 3 minutes we can have communication. And what about letter is one needs to one needs to have education. One needs to be literate for to write a letter, to write the particular address. And the receiver also needs to be literate to be able to read the letter. So these are similarities and differences we have discussed. Have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayan, so that is riding on bike, riding on horse. So the past tense of ride is rode, RODE. Cool. On the merry-go-round, around and around and round. Okay, on the merry-go-round, अगेन मेरी गो राउंड जैसे घूमता है गोल 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 गोल